Hello and welcome back to channel T Lover. So if you are new to this channel, please make a subscription on our channel and also do not forget to click on bell icon for our latest update. As you all know that we are making a back-to-back video regarding how to get a free domain and hosting for your website, and also the views, subscriber and watch out for your YouTube channel. And also we provide the tip and solution for the monetization and AdSense issue on your website and YouTube AdSense. So if you have any problem regarding anything, then you can directly make a contact through tlover2054 in the Instagram. Also I have kept other medium in my blog. So here are other medium: Facebook, Twitter, Insta or WhatsApp also. So you can contact me through this medium also if you need my help. Today I am here with new video where you can earn money from the website. For that you do not need any website to be created, or you do not need any approval for monetization or approval for AdSense. It's very simple. You will just have to watch the ad on the website, and from that you can directly get the revenue in your account. We'll move to our content. So first of all, you have to choose any browser. I'm using the Chrome, or you may choose any browser you may like. So here you have to type this website link I have shown in the screen. So go for this link. This is the website where you can earn the digital currency from this website, and this website is 100% legit. You will not get any problem regarding this website, and the best part is that it supports 3 payment methods, and they are PayPal, bank transfer, and you can use Western Union also. You can use the withdraw account as you like. So here are 2 parts in this website, and one is for publisher and next one is advertiser. So if you go for the advertiser, then you need the money to create a campaign, and your ad will be displayed on the website by which other people can watch this ad. But we are not going for this because we do not want to make our ad on the website, but here we want to earn the money from the website using the others ad. Okay, so they will pay for our click on the website. So first of all, this is the homepage of this website. Just you have to scroll down over here, and you can see that publisher earn money online. So start working now and earn money and get paid online. So just scroll down and you have to go for the start now on the left side of our screen. So here we have been asked to choose our account type, so we'll choose as a publisher. I do not suggest you to go for the advertiser, because if you go for the advertiser, then you need money to create a campaign. So remember, do not go for advertiser, go for the publisher. Do not skip any part of this video, and this will help for you to complete this process very easily. So here you have to fill up your personal information. Remember, do not use any fake account over here, because if the site owner or the site admin will find that your account is suspicious, then they will directly block your account within a second. They have clearly mentioned here also you have to verify your identity over here, and you cannot change your name later. So multiple accounts are not allowed also. So it's very easy. You have to fill up your information over here: your first name, your name, date of birth, your permanent address, phone numbers, etc. So you have to provide your email and password also over here. So after going for the security check of your question, then you have to go for the enter code over here. So here is code. You have to solve this code, and after that, and you have to click on the I confirm to accept the policy of this website. So you have to go for the register now. Finally, we are about to create an account over here, and our account is being created. Just hold for a while. Now you have to send a verification email on your Gmail. So for that, just go for the send activation email, and we have successfully sent the email in our mail. Now we'll check the mail over here. So go for the Gmail. Here we have successfully received the mail from StartClick. So if you do not find this mail over inbox, then you have to go for the spam to check the mail. So we'll just activate this account. So for activating this account, just click on the activate account now, or you can just click on the link to activate this account. So I'm just clicking on this activate account now. We'll be directly redirected to the website over here. So here our account has been successfully activated. As you see that a green text has been created over here. It is successfully activated. So now we'll click on the signing option. Now provide your email and password that you have previously created. So after creating your email and password, you have to solve this reCAPTCHA and go for the sign in option. So after you have entered the email and password, you have to go for the signing option. Now over here, so as you see that we have $0 in our balance. So now we'll earn this balance. Before that, show you that how you can withdraw the money from this website. For withdrawing the money on this website, you have to go for the payout. So here is the payout option over here. So minimum you can pay out over here $50. So you can choose any bank transfer or any detail over here. When you reach the $50, you can directly add this $50 over here, and you can just go for the checkout over here. They might take some transfer cost, that depend upon them, but you will get the transaction for that. Okay, so this is how you can withdraw your money using PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, or Western Union. It's very easy to withdraw this money from this website. Before that, now I'll show you how to earn the money on this website. So for that, just go for the PPC ads. For earning money, you have to go for the pay per clicks ad on the left side of your screen. Just click on the PPC ads. Now we'll earn the money from this pay per click ad. Here, before getting the withdraw, you have to go for the mobile verification. You have to verify your mobile. So if you do not verify this, then you will not able to get the money or withdraw from this website. So just click on the pay per click ads over here. So just go for the pay per click ad, and now you will find the ad over here. So you have to click on this any ad so that your balance will be increased over here. Just click on this ad. So just click on this ad. So this is the ad I want to click over here. Just I'll click on this ad, and our ad is loading. So when you click on this ad, we can find that our balance is 0.01 over here. Okay, just click on the next ad, and our next website will be load over here. We have already got this amount over here. You can click that 0.2. How much click you will make, that much you can earn from this website. Just click on the next ad, and you will go for the next website. We have 3, and we'll go for the next one, and we have $0.04, and we'll again go for the next one. So we have $0.07 over here. They will just 0.07 in every 24 hours. So if you want unlimited amount of this ad, then you have to go for the click here to upgrade. But I do not suggest you to go for the upgrade, but you can go for the more PPC ad and HTML code to earn the money. You have to click on the HTML code. So this is how you can earn money from this website, just clicking on the ad and website link over here. So within a second you can earn a lot of money from this website, and it's very easy to withdraw the money from this website also. If you just make $50, then you can directly withdraw this money directly in your bank account over here. Okay, if you try this, then you can successfully get the revenue from this website, and it's 100% legit one. So if you like the video, please click on the like option, and do not forget to click on also do not forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. So if you need any help, then you can directly contact me through tlover205 in the Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. Tlover official channel. Like, share, and subscribe will value our support. Thank you.